Welcome to Lightware Tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how our divisible room works. So we created two rooms. One master room in the right side, we have the touchscreen of it, and the slave room, here is the touchscreen for it. In the slave room I'm select the share page and I'm able to select a laptop right now. And in the master room I'm able to select the share page and let's say I select room PC. So this is in standard mode when the two rooms are divided. Let's say I would like to combine the two rooms, so I stop sharing on both rooms. I go to the master room, I tap on the divisible room icon, I give my PIN number and choose combine rooms. I see pop-up messages on the touchscreen about that the room combined. So now I'm able to use the master room touchscreen for the control. At the same time, the slave room touchscreen cannot be used. The slave room codec is in do not disturb mode. So let's see how the share works right here. For the master room, we had these three sources. And from the slave room, we got the laptop B, room PC B, and spare B labels. So I'm able to tap on laptop B, and right now the laptop B presents on both rooms. Let's select another source, like room PC, which is in the main room. After it's selected, I'm able to see the room PC content on both rooms. So that's how it works. Once we want to stop using our divisible room, we would like to divide the rooms, so I stop sharing, I go out from this menu and go back to divisible room, tap my PIN number and select divide rooms. No new pop-up messages appeared and both touch panel gonna reactivate it. In the slave room I have the share page, so I can share separately, and in the master room I still have my own sources, so I can share separately. So this is how our basic divisible room setup works. In the following videos we are gonna share some cool features. See you next time!